Look at the screen. Absolutely caked with snow. It's crazy. The whole house is encased in ice. And I'm filming this to see if I can get the accordion sound on camera. It was the fire. Just keeping that going to keep the ice from coming down the chimney. I don't know if you can. Hopefully we'll hear that accordion sound while we're out here. That was a lock. Whoa. The door just flew open. If I can get out here. Under this tarp's the generator. It's just encased in ice. And this is inside a porch. I don't know if you can see the ice on the screens. It's just absolutely crazy. Everything is just completely iced up. Table, totally iced. Iced up inside. Let's see if we can go in and, I'm sure it won't do it, but there's been this crazy sound. Over on this side, look at that through the window. Everything is just totally, can't see outside at all. Let's see if we can hear the sound. Oh, there it was. There's a Scituate Kazoo band. I don't know where that is coming from or what is making that. But it is unsettling, I'll tell you that much. And there's the view. Ice.